Afiscooter S is the next generation of mobility scooters, winner of the International Red Dot Design Award. Afiscooter S belongs to the family of large mobility scooters and can be used in urban or rural terrain. It is available in a 3-wheel or 4-wheel model. Afiscooter S has two 75-amp batteries that give it a 30-mile range and allow it to carry up to 440 pounds. Afiscooter S was designed for comfort in the modern world. That's why we incorporated compartments for small objects, such as a cellular phone, glasses, or keys. For larger items, use the large or extra-large lockable sealed rear compartment. Afiscooter S can be equipped with a canopy and a front window to protect you in any weather conditions. The ergonomically designed tiller is adjustable to meet the driver's exact preference. The swiveling orthopedic seat, as well as the adjustable arm and backrest, allow easy access to the vehicle and optimal comfort during use. The suspension and wheels allow for a smooth and safe ride in all terrains. You can choose between regular wheels or wide GT wheels. Afiscooter S automatic braking system ensures a safe stop in any situation. Afiscooter S is charged by a cable plugged into a clearly visible and easily accessible plug. The digital drive controller display is easy and simple to operate. Switch between different data items by means of the 2 buttons below the display. The control system includes a power switch, a battery level indicator, an operating lever, a forward or backward switch, a speed range selector, mark 1 for full speed, mark half for half speed limit, an indicator switch, buzzer controls on both handlebars, brake lights and safety mirrors, long-lasting energy-efficient LED headlights. A special mechanism automatically dims the headlights when Afiscooter S stops in order to prevent blinding and to save electricity. Light level automatically goes to maximum once driving is resumed. There are several models of the Afiscooter S. Afiscooter S3, a 3-wheel scooter with high maneuverability. Afiscooter S4, a 4-wheel scooter for maximum comfort and stability. Both Afiscooter S models can be converted into a tandem scooter. Afikim Electric Vehicles has been a leading developer and manufacturer of mobility scooters since 1978. We have a full range of mobility scooters available with a wide selection of accessories to suit all needs. For further information about our different scooters and accessories, please visit our website www.afiscooters.com.